this is one of the really important parts of my day that I really enjoy. I've met all these lovely people. They've been to see us today. I really just enjoying saying thank you and bye-bye to them. And we hope to see them all again another time. We really appreciate them all coming to see me. I get quite upset at this time of the night. I love waiting for mine. Welcome back to Lappa another day. There we are, another day is done. Do it all again tomorrow.